y'all can see by the title, this is the start of my maintenance vlog. I just finished blow drying my hair.
Narrative instinct says this is where the protagonist hits rock bottom. This is where the deceiver finally has to face what he's a vision of heaven.
Okay, you guys, so I just finished my hair. As y'all can see, my hair appointment is at 6:30 now. It was at 6 o'clock, but now it's at 6:30. And I just have to go pull out money and do a few things before I leave. So I'm very excited to take you guys with me through the process and to get ready for August. Y'all are going to see me do all my maintenance to get ready for August. And first step is my hair getting done, and I'll catch y'all. This is the final result of what she did. This is one side. This is how the other side looks. But I'll see y'all when I'm home. Hey you guys, so I'm arriving to my lash appointment shortly. I'm really not early. I'm only like 5 minutes early. So I have to figure out where to go. Of course she probably has like a 15-minute grace period, but I don't like having first impressions not being the best. Like, yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all later because baby, I don't know where I'm going. This is how they turned out. She did such a good job. It looks so beautiful. Guys, that is my girl. She is also a Christian lash tech. So I love that. I really do.
News for you, we have a cabin on the sailing on August 3rd. So once you have a chance, please give me a call back.
So y'all, I think I'm gonna go on a cruise next week. If I do end up going on this cruise, I'm not buying no new clothes. Like, I'm all good to go. I just may have to get some few things, but that's really it. And then what else? I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to Beauty Master. I'm trying to see if they have a lash shampoo. Well, I already got the lash shampoo, a lash brush cleaner, and then a pack of spoolies, and then also a fan for my lashes. So that's why I want to go to Beauty Master to get. I really don't know if Beauty Master would even have the things that I'm looking for, so I really hope they do. Hey guys, so I just made it into Beauty Master, and this is the ones I'm gonna get right here. And these look the most normal, and they're $3, but those are more expensive. No, these are cheaper actually. No, they're not, but they're less in there. So I'll get these. And for the brush, I could just use a regular makeup brush because I don't know what else to use for that. Let me see if they possibly have it first. It doesn't look like so far that they do. This is where I'm at. I'm gonna just have to get a regular makeup brush for my lashes. And it don't look like they have the fan either. So I just have to keep walking around. Let me go back into the hair stuff. Maybe it's back there. They have cute outfits here too. Workout sets, everything, but obviously we're not here for that. Now I'm in the blow dryer section and hair tools, but I don't see it either. I guess this I'm just gonna have to order from Amazon. This I'm actually gonna have to order from Amazon. That's cool. Safely made it back into my car. I got the little goodies that I showed you guys that I got, and I asked at the front desk, do they have it? And I just didn't see it, the lash fan, but they do not have it, and that's cool. That's cool, because I guess I don't really need it. I guess, like, whatever. So now I guess I'm on my way home, but I'll catch y'all when I'm doing something tomorrow. Hey you guys, so I'm on my way to the nail salon right now to get my nails done. They're perfect.
Tại vì Huyền Nhiên chưa có vé. Không, Huyền Nhiên thích đâu.
But yeah, you guys, so I just came on here to tell you guys that I made it to my wax appointment. I just left my dermatologist appointment, and this is my outfit in the mirror. It's just a jean dress with these shoes and my standard everyday bag. I know the lighting isn't that good, but yep. And now I'm just going up the elevator. My appointment's at 4:30. It's currently like 4:18, so I forgot to pull out cash. It's okay, she accepts card. Thank you, Jesus, because I forgot to bring cash. But yeah, you guys, see y'all afterwards. Hey you guys, so it is it is currently Saturday, August 1st, and it's almost 9 a.m. I have a 10:45 yoga class, and I wanted to go to the gym early, but I also wanted to clean before I go to the gym. But I don't think I'm gonna get all my cleaning done before I get to the gym, which is kind of upsetting, but I at least want to clean the bathroom before I leave. But I just wanted to show you guys because I'm gonna do that little purse. Y'all know that purse basket thing that they do where so here's a little cute basket that I have. Obviously I have my wallet in here. I have to put money in there, my Bible, my travel size Bible, my keys, my sunscreen, my lip gloss, my number, my hand sanitizer, my clothes all the time, my gum, my four, my little compact mirror, a little travel oil every day, a hair scrunchie, some dietary rights, a little tampon, I'm sorry, I think mine, some lotion, everything, and then after this on let's put the pen first. And then my shades, my perfume number 1, girls like perfume 2, a little powder for my jaw, and my pen guys. I just have this little basket. I'm gonna see how this works. if I like it, if I don't. Because if I like it, I'll just carry everything I need with me when I need it. Hey you guys, so my Amazon package got delivered today. It was supposed to get delivered tomorrow, but since it came today, I'm gonna do a little haul for y'all. I'm out of breath, but I just came back home from seeing Spider-Man, the new movie, and it was so good. I enjoyed it a lot. I liked it, that movie. I liked it, the ending, like it was just all around good. So the first thing that I got, raw and unrefined shea butter. So that's pretty good. The next thing I got, and I really want to try, is this toothpaste, you guys. I have been seeing this toothpaste and I wanted to try it, so I bought it off Amazon. And I'm gonna use this, and I'm hoping to get braces soon, like in the next month. Literally in the next month, I hope to get braces. So I'm gonna get the floss, the water floss, the electric toothbrush, more of the toothpaste, because I run out of toothpaste so quickly. Yay! And I got my lash fan, y'all know. The girl was trying to get her lashes very consistently. So I picked up a lash fan. Last but not least, you guys, I picked up organizers finally for my vanity. I'm gonna show y'all right now what the drawer is looking like. Y'all can see it's time to organize all of this stuff. Okay, so like kind of had to put everything everywhere, like all my lipstick stuff together. I had to put my foundation with my powders, which I really didn't want to do. I had to put my eye makeup with my concealer. I had to put my eye makeup with my concealer, which I guess that made sense. Hey you guys, so I am in Target right now, and I just have to pick up a few things. So the first thing I'm picking up is the Vanity Cream moisturizer. And I'm trying to see what else I need to pick up from here. I have it in my notes. I'm gonna pick up an electric toothbrush. The disposable pack of chunk scrapers, because I'm not gonna buy the plastic one. So I'm in the body care. This one looks really good. Pineapple. Coconut. Vanilla. I don't really like the scent. And I picked up shaving blades. And these. To remain hydrated if I'm like on the cruise, while I'm on the cruise. Even though I'm gonna be eating and drinking and stuff. No, I smell that. This one smells really, really good. So there's not a lot of music over here, so I'm going to show you guys while my mom is in the fitting room. I'm going to try this Tommy Bahama fragrance for my trip, because I told you I don't have no fragrances. And hopefully I can like it in general, you know. It's only 20 bucks. Oh no, it doesn't have a price on it. I'm hoping it's only 20 bucks. And then this I'm going to put back. Because yeah. These two jeans I'm getting. These are the two jeans that I'm getting for my new job. They'll tell me to try them on if I insert that footage. I'm getting this this water flosser as well, oral irrigator, because I just got, y'all saw the electric toothbrush, so I wanted a water floss, but they were like $25. I wasn't spending $25 on a water floss when I just spent $60 on a good electric toothbrush. So then I ended up finding this at Ross, for only 15 bucks. Cordless. So I'm gonna get this. Yeah. And it's small too, so. Then I picked up these Pumas because y'all know I'm starting my new job. So these would go perfectly with like my jeans and stuff. I'm gonna buy these for my cruise. They have to go detailing. These are gonna be like my walking around the cruise ship shoes, and yeah. So the one thing that I wish I brought more of that I didn't bring enough of was clothes. So I have all these clothes here. I'm gonna fold them up, pack them up, and see what outfit is for what. Yeah, you guys, I'm ready to go. So I just wanted to do this little outro. And I thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed every second of it, the way I did making it and editing it. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And see y'all soon. Bye.